Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax, and we are going to go over how you would add engine oil to this vehicle. Well, check and add engine oil. So to check your engine oil, we have this dipstick right here that we're going to remove. We're going to wipe it clean, because as you're driving, your engine oil is going to be all floating on here. We have our vehicle on a decently level surface. Wipe the dipstick clean, be able to reinsert, and then pull it back out and see that the oil is in between the marks there, and so we are good on our oil level. If it was all the way to the bottom, or in that bottom hash, there's generally a quart to bring it up to the top line. That's not always the case, but a lot of times it is generally just 1 quart to bring it up to that line. And we want to do the best to not overfill the oil, because we can cause issues with the motor. So then we would just reinsert this, and if we need to add oil, this is our oil cap, and we just need to twist this off a 1/4 turn, add the oil here, use a funnel if needs be, and then just be able to put the cap back in and tighten that up. And so that's how you would add oil to this Chevy Trax with the EcoTec, and it's a 1.4 liter size motor. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.